Now, the third defense tactic is known as golden parachute. Golden parachute. Golden parachutes. Golden parachute is the third defense tactic against hostile takeover. Now, golden tactics are simply what we call lucrative severance packages for top executives. You understand? These are substantial compensation packages for the target company's board of directors in the event of a hostile takeover. Golden parachutes, lucrative severance packages. These are lucrative severance packages, substantial compensation packages which are included in the contracts of top level managers, in the contracts of the board of directors. And these packages are triggered when a change of control occurs. So when these top executives are hired by the target company, the contracts that the company may have with the board may include these substantial compensation packages, which are triggered when a change of control occurs, particularly during mergers or acquisitions. You understand? It happens during mergers or acquisitions, or where executives are subsequently terminated, or such happens, such events. You understand? So how is then golden parachutes defense tactics against hostile takeover? Where the acquirer knows, when it comes to the knowledge of the acquirer, that the board of directors have signed a contract which includes these golden parachutes, it becomes more expensive for the acquirer to proceed with the hostile takeover because of the substantial packages, lucrative severance packages. That is a defense tactic. Golden parachutes. These are lucrative severance packages for top level managers that are triggered in the event of a takeover. And that increases the cost of the acquisition for the hostile bidder. It's a defense tactic. Number 3.